Very good morning, children. Today, let us start with the next part of sequential series. That is, we'll learn about arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and a new series that is harmonic progression. We had learned AP, then we had learned GP. Today we'll learn HP, that is harmonic progression. Okay. Suppose if I say I have the numbers 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C, and so on, such that 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C, and so on, the numerator is 1, and if denominators, that is, if I say A, B, C are my denominators, if denominators are in AP, provided numerator is 1, denominators are in AP, then I can say 1 upon A, 1 upon B, 1 upon C are in HP, that is harmonic progression. So what you have to do to check whether given sequence is harmonic? Check your numerator should be 1. Once the numerator is 1, check whether your denominators are in AP. If your denominators are in AP, and that sequence is called as HP. Okay. Now we'll learn about means of numbers. Means of numbers. Okay. Now here I'll only talk about two numbers initially. Suppose I have X and Y as two numbers. X and Y as two numbers. Then the arithmetic mean, that is AM. Arithmetic mean, that is AM, is given by A, which will be, arithmetic mean means average. Average का मतलब है sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So arithmetic mean, that is A, will be X plus Y upon 2. Then if I have three numbers X, Y, Z, arithmetic mean आएगा X plus Y plus Z upon 3. Now, if I talk about geometric mean, then it is noted by G, or we say GM. GM is square root of x, y. If I have two numbers, उन two numbers का multiplication और उसका root, that is geometric mean of two numbers. If I have three numbers, x, y, z, then my geometric mean will be three numbers है, so cube root of product of all three numbers. Similarly, if I have n numbers, my geometric mean will be nth root of all those numbers, x1, x2 up to xn. ठीक है? If there are two numbers, तो square root, three numbers तो cube root, four numbers तो fourth root, वैसे n numbers तो nth root. Then third we have harmonic mean. Third we have harmonic mean. Harmonic mean, if I have x, y as two numbers, harmonic mean आता है average of those two harmonic numbers. h आएगा 1 upon x plus 1 upon y upon 2. Simplify करते हैं, क्या आएगा x plus y upon xy the whole divided by 2. That is x plus y upon 2xy, है ना? So see, this can be written as h is equal to x plus y by 2 upon xy. Am I right? Correct? So what is x plus y upon 2? x plus y upon 2 कितना है? a. So मेरा h आ सकता है a. Now what is xy? xy आएगा g square. Yes, correct. xy आएगा मेरा g square. Okay. So h is equal to a upon g square. Sorry, one mistake. It is 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. This will be 1 upon h. Okay. This will be 1 upon h. Harmonic में 1 upon h आता है because we are adding the fractions. So ये भी fraction आएगा. So I'll get 1 upon h. Therefore, there is a good relation between harmonic, geometric and arithmetic means. That is g square is equal to ah. You will see g square is equal to ah. Okay, a very important relation. Now, if you take two numbers x, y, उसका arithmetic mean find करो, geometric find करो, harmonic find करो. You will see that arithmetic mean always greater than equal to geometric mean, always greater than equal to harmonic mean. A is always greater than g, greater than h. Understood? Is clear, everyone? Okay. Now let us move on to sums. Exercise 2.4, question 1. Verify whether the following sequences are HP. You just have to check whether sequence are HP. Okay, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 9. As I told you, the numerator is 1. I'll just check whether denominator is an AP. So if you see, since 3, 5, 7, 9 is an AP, correct? This is an AP. Therefore, I can say 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5, 1 upon 7 is in HP. Since the denominator are in AP, the fraction becomes an HP. Okay? The second one in that 1 upon 3, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 12, 1 upon 24 and so on. Numerator में 1 है, but denominator 3, 6, 12, 24 is not an AP. Am I right? You know how to check whether it is an AP. So I am not writing that step. It is not an AP. Therefore, this sequence is not in HP. This sequence is not in HP. Okay? Now third one. It is 5, 10 by 17, 10 by 32, 10 by 47 and so on. Numerator 1 नहीं है, उससे पहले बनाएंगे. So this 5 can be written as 1 upon 5. This can be written as 1 upon 17 upon 10. 1 upon 32 upon 10. And so on. Now check whether these denominators are in AP. अगर ये AP में आता है, then it is a HP. अगर नहीं आता है, it is not an HP. Okay. Now question number 2. It is an HP. You have to find the nth term and the 8th term. Nth term and the 8th term. It is given as half and so on. You know it is already an HP. मतलब denominator is a GP. तो denominator GP है, तो denominator का Tn क्या आएगा? A plus n minus 1 D. D कितना है? 3. That is my Tn becomes 2 plus, correct? That is your Tn becomes 3n minus 1. Correct? Therefore, I can say nth term of HP, harmonic progression का nth term क्या आएगा? 1 upon 3n minus 1. Therefore, if I want to find 8th term क्या आएगा? 1 upon 24, 24 minus 1, 23. I'll get my 8th term as 1 upon 23. ठीक है? Now second, third, you try on your own. Now I'll talk about question number 3. Find arithmetic mean of two positive numbers. So I'll say let x and y be two positive numbers. Okay. Whose geometric mean and harmonic mean are 4 and 16 by 5. Geometric mean 4 है, हार्मोनिक मीन 16 by 5 है. करेक्ट? और ज्योमेट्रिक मीन का मतलब क्या है? G मतलब रूट एक्स वाई इज गिवन एज 4 whereas harmonic mean क्या होता है? If you remember, it was 2xy upon x plus y is given as 16 by 5. स्क्वायरिंग करेंगे तो x y कितना आएगा? 16. So I'll put x y 16 over here. So 2 into 16 x plus y 16 by 5. Correct? Therefore, I am getting x plus y as 10. What I want? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean का मतलब क्या होता है? x plus y divide by 2. x plus y है, I will divide by 2. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? Arithmetic mean that is equal to 5. ठीक है? Either go by this method or directly आप solve कर सकते थे. You know that g square is equal to ah. g कितना दिया है? 4. So 4 square ah. h कितना दिया है? 16 by 5. 16 cancel. Therefore a is 5. Understood? Both ways are correct. The fourth one, find harmonic mean. You have to find harmonic mean provided arithmetic mean is given as 15 by 2 and geometric mean is given as 6. Arithmetic mean is 15 by 2, geometric mean is 6. So again we know that g square is equal to ah, so it will become 36. 15 by 2 into h. So 3 5s are 3 12s are. Harmonic mean कितना आ रहा है? 24 by 5. कितना आ रहा है? 24 by 5. Understood? Next, fifth one. Find geometric mean. You have to find g provided arithmetic mean is given as 75. Harmonic mean is given as 48. कैसे आएगा? G square is nothing but a into h. a कितना है? 75. h कितना है? 48. क्या आएगा? G square 25 3s are 16 3s are. Therefore, what will be G? 25 का 5, 16 का 4, ये 3. So G becomes 60. How much will get G as? 60. Understood? Yes. Now, sixth one. Insert two numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. 1 by 4 और 1 by 3 के बीच में दो numbers insert करने हैं such that the sequence is an HP. So I'll say let 1 upon a1 be one of the term and 1 upon a2 be the next term that I inserted such that this sequence becomes a HP. अगर इसको HP बनाना है so I should know that a1 minus 4 should be a2 minus a1 should be 3 minus a2. Am I right? ये डिफरेंस और डिफरेंस डिनोमिनेटर में क्या होना चाहिए? Constant, because I want series to be HP. Correct? So what I can do from here? If I solve these two, what will I get? 2a1 minus 4 is equal to a2. So complicated हो जाएगा. ऐसे नहीं करेंगे इसको हम, सिंपल तरीके से करेंगे इसको. Now see, the first we know that 4 a1 a2 3 are in AP, correct? They are in AP. So I need to find here my A, that is the first term is given as 4. My nth term, that is Tn, is given as 3. From here I can find D. An क्या होता है? 3 A plus n minus 1 D. ये कौन सा टर्म है? Fourth term है. So A4 is given as 3. Am I right? So I'll put here 4. So 3 is equal to A कितना है? 4 plus 3D. Therefore D कितना आएगा? -1/3, करेक्ट। d कितना आया -1/3। सो आई वांट टू फाइंड a1। a1 क्या आएगा a प्लस d, ये a है a1 आएगा a प्लस d, दैट इज a प्लस d। सो a1 becomes 12 minus 1 11/3। a2 क्या आएगा a प्लस 2d, राइट। थर्ड टर्म है, फर्स्ट टर्म सेकेंड टर्म थर्ड टर्म, तो आएगा 4 minus 2/3, it will become 10/3, करेक्ट 10/3। हमारा सीक्वेंस क्या हो जाएगा 1/4, 1/11/3, 1/10/3, 1/3। So that sequence becomes an HP. Okay, yes, okay. Same type of sum, small change. Insert two numbers between 1 and -27 so that resulting terms becomes a GP. तो GP का फर्स्ट टर्म क्या होता है A, सेकेंड क्या आएगा AR, थर्ड क्या आएगा AR स्क्वायर, फोर्थ क्या हो जाएगा AR क्यूब। इन शॉर्ट दे हैव गिवन दैट AR क्यूब कितना दिया है -27, और फर्स्ट टर्म A कितना दिया है 1, करेक्ट। सो 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो R क्यूब आएगा -27, देयरफॉर मेरा R हो जाएगा -3। कितना हो जाएगा R -3। देयरफॉर AR कितना हो जाएगा 1 इंटू -3, दैट इज -3। नेक्स्ट है AR स्क्वायर, सो 1 इंटू -3 का स्क्वायर कितना आएगा 9। Therefore, सीक्वेंस क्या होगा 1 -3 9 -27। So I inserted two numbers such that the sequence is a GP. Understood? Yes? Okay. Now 8th one, very important sum. If arithmetic mean of two numbers exceeds their geometric mean by 2 and the harmonic mean by 18/5, find the numbers. Since I want to find the numbers, I will say let the numbers be x and y. ठीक है? What is given? Arithmetic mean of two numbers exceeds the geometric mean by 2 and arithmetic mean exceeds harmonic mean by 18/5. Arithmetic mean geometric mean से बड़ा है, more 2, arithmetic mean harmonic mean से 18/5 बड़ा है। Now we know that g square कितना होता है, since g square is equal to ah, correct? So what can I do? I can replace, I'll keep g square as it is, I'll keep a कितना है g plus 2, h कितना आएगा a minus 18/5, करेक्ट। Is it clear? So हो जाएगा g square g plus 2, again what is a is g plus 2, I want only one variable, है ना। तो क्या हो जाएगा g स्क्वायर, ये हो जाएगा g plus 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 18/5g minus 36/5, ठीक है। Let's open everything. So g square is equal to g square plus 4g plus 4 g square कट, तो ये 18/5 was a 20g minus 18g/5 2g/5, 20 minus 36 minus 16/5 is equal to 0, करेक्ट। Therefore मुझे मिलेगा 2g is equal to 16, so g is nothing but 8, g कितना है मेरा 8, करेक्ट। If I know g, I know a also, therefore मेरा a कितना आएगा 10, a कितना आया 10। What is a? Since I have taken x and y, a क्या आएगा x plus y upon 2 equal to 10, therefore x plus y is equal to 20. Now first equation g 8 है, g का मतलब क्या है, root xy is given as 8, therefore I can say xy I want 64, है ना. Now I need to solve these two equations, or orally if you want to do addition of two numbers 20 होना चाहिए and multiplication 64 होना चाहिए. Addition 20, multiplication 64. So if you solve them simultaneously, you get x as 16, y as 4, or you can say x as 4 and y as 16. 16 plus 4, 20. You will show the calculations from your end. I have just shown you the answer. Understood? Yes? Okay, last one on the exercise. Again it is same. I'll just tell you the steps. Let two numbers be x and y. Now they have said arithmetic mean exceeds geometric mean by half. Arithmetic mean exceeds geometric mean by half, and harmonic mean by 25 by 26. Same equation है, correct? We know that since g square is equal to ah, what you can do? I'll write g as now a minus half the whole square, a as it is, h कितना आएगा, a minus 25 by 26. ओपन करेंगे, a square minus a plus 1 by 4, little bit simple, 25 by 26 a, ठीक है. So a square कट, तो हो जाएगा 1 by 4 is equal to a minus 25a by 26. That is 1 by 4. I'll get a by 26. 2 2s are 2 13s are. Therefore a कितना आएगा, 13 by 2. I got the value of a as 13 by 2. a substitute किया तो क्या मिलेगा, g. Therefore g कितना आएगा, a minus half. So g आएगा 13 by 2 minus half. So g आएगा 6. Now from this and this you can say that a आएगा x plus y by 2, 13 by 2, correct? Therefore x plus y कितना आएगा, 13. Equation 1. g 6 है, that is square root of xy is 6. Therefore xy कितना आएगा, 36. I'll solve this and show you. Now what is y here? So same, x, from here I can say y is 13 minus x equals 36. So 13x minus x square equals 36. So x square minus 13x plus 36 equal to 0. क्या आएंगे फैक्टर्स, 9 4s are, मतलब या तो x 9 आएगा या तो x 4 आएगा. x 9 है तो y 4 आएगा, और x 4 है तो y 9 आएगा. Therefore the numbers are 9 and 4. Understood? Yeah. Thank you.